everybody can come and have fun at the Immersive Park. They are open every Wednesday hanggang Sunday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. So, ayan. Merry Christmas, everybody.
Magandang gabi po. Dito po kami ngayon sa J Castle. First time po namin dito. Solid, maganda. Maganda ba? Maganda. So ayun po, sa lahat ng mga taga Bacoor dyan, kung gusto nyo pong mag-field trip, dito na po kayo. Promise po, solid yung bayad nyo dito. Yun lang.
Sobrang saya po at napakaganda. Nakaka-amaze po yung J Castle. Talagang may wow factor po. Nakita po namin to.
Anong eskwelahan po kayo?
We are from Nazareth
Christian School of Antipolo.
Antipolo pa. NCR, tapos pumunta kayo dito. Para makita dito.
Yes.
Babalik pa po kayo dito para...
Yes po.
Yes.
Definitely yes po.
Yes. Despite of what happened to us, it's really nice to know the initiative of J Castle to really help out, most especially to the SOS Children Village here in Batangas. It's nice to know that they actually an advocate para makatulong po and to give them, you know, this kind of special night as we open the first ever Christmas tree lighting ceremony here at J Castle. Kasi maraming natutulungan, nag-heal din lahat kasi syempre napapasaya sila, and this is truly a magical night. Nakita naman natin all the smiles in their faces. Ang saya-saya nila to actually see the fireworks and the Christmas tree. So in their own little way, ang ganda na makatulong, most especially J Castles. They've been doing a lot of helping or reaching out, most especially the SOS Children Village, na sila po ang tinawag nilang VIP. So nakakatuwa. Kala ko kanina nung nagre-rehearse ako, yung mga VIPs talaga, hindi pala. Ang VIPs nila, yung mga batang tinutulungan nila. So nakakatuwa. I invite everybody to please support, give love and support for J Castles by first of all following on their social media pages, which is at J Castles on Facebook and Instagram. And please do visit J Castles located here at Tanawan, Batangas. Mag-enjoy ka talaga at babalik sa pagkabata, lalo na dun sa mga kids and kids at heart.
Alright, like I said, I hope everybody can visit Jay's Castles every Wednesday to Sunday, open from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Also, yung kinanta kong song dito, it's called Let There Be Lights. We're gonna be releasing it on all platforms first week of December. Yung mismong performance na yun yung MTV. So it's Let There Be Lights, just like God said.